Hello and welcome back. So here we're going to be looking at multiplying algebraic fractions. So the objective here is to multiply algebraic fractions and simplify the result. So we're going to use the key idea that to multiply fractions, we need to multiply across. So in other words, we multiply the numerators and denominators and then simplify the result. So if we have an example, so 2 over 3 times 1 over 4, to multiply these fractions, we do 2 times 1 to get 2 and 3 times 4 to get 12. 2 over 12 simplifies to 1 over 6, and that is the answer. So here's an example here. So we have 2x over 3 times 5 over x. So again, we're going to multiply across. So 2x times 5, that's 10x, and 3 times x, that's 3x. And if we try and simplify this, we notice there's an x on the top and an x on the bottom. So I'm left with 10 over 3. Here's another example. So this time we have x squared minus 9 over 4x times 2x over x plus 3. So instead of expanding when I am multiplier, I'm just going to write it as 2x bracket x squared minus 9 over 4x bracket x plus 3. The reason I've done this is because now we're going to try and simplify it, and we're going to have to factorise anyway to simplify the result. So there's no point expanding it if we're going to then end up simplifying it anyway, because we're kind of adding a step that's a bit unnecessary. So I'm going to factorise x squared minus 9, so that's the difference of two squares. So it's 2x bracket x plus 3, x minus 3. And the denominator is 4x x plus 3. So firstly, straight away, I can cancel out the x plus 3 on the top and the bottom. I can also cancel out a 2x, because I know that 4x is 2x times 2. So this becomes a 1 and this becomes a 2, because 2x goes into 2x once and 2x goes into 4x 2 times. So then I'm just left with x minus 3 over 2. And that's the answer to that question. Here's another example. So again, I'm going to multiply across first. So I have x bracket x squared minus 4 over 3 bracket x minus 2. And then the numerator, I notice, is the difference of two squares. So I'm going to write it as x bracket x plus 2, x minus 2. And the denominator is 3 bracket x minus 2. So the x minus 2 cancels out on the top and the bottom. So it's going to be x bracket x plus 2 over 3. And then if I really wanted to, at this point, I could expand the brackets, but you don't need to. But if I did, it would be x squared plus 2x over 3. So here are 3 quick-fire practice questions on this topic. Pause the video, have a go at these, and I'll reveal the answers in a moment. Okay, so well done if you managed to have a go at those. Here are the answers, and that's everything for this video. So well done if you've managed to have a go at this video, and I'll see you again in another. Bye!